All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's English phonics. So ER, her, her, the woman, her, woman. Let's have a look. Her. There we are. This one. There we are. Her. Very good. Yeah. And to earn, turn, turn, turn. How cool is that? And girl, girl, not G-Earl, it's girl, E-R, girl, girl. And world, O-R, world, not world, it's world, the world, yeah. And learn, earn, not Leon, learn, learn. Let's have a look. Here we are. Learn. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. And colour. 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 And hour. Hour, but Colour. Colour. Oh, perfect. Here we are. Like paint here. Colour. How cool is that? Yeah. And collar. 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 How cool is that? Yeah, collar. And centre, not century, centre. Let's try and get a picture. Aha, centre. Yes, look at that. Yes, the centre. The centre. The centre. The centre. Yeah, in the middle. The centre. Not century, centre. And this word here, cipher. Cipher. Not Y, not ciphery. Cipher. Cipher. How cool is that? Yeah. So, her, turn, her, turn, girl, world, learn, colour, collar, centre, cipher. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.